Welcome again to the Olanta Public Library. Today we're going to be doing a paw print craft. It's going to be a paw print. I'm using my dog, which isn't in here right now. But it's going to be a magnet. You can do this for a Christmas ornament if you want to. But what I've got here in my bowl is a cup of flour. And I've got here a cup of salt. And what I've got here is a half a cup of water. And that's all you need. You just need to mix this into a dough. Okay, I've got my dough mixed up. And the reason I have it on a pan like this is you don't need to do this, but the table is textured, so I didn't want any of the dough to get on the table where I couldn't get it off. So if you have a smooth countertop or a table at home, you don't have to worry about this. But what you want to do is go ahead and knead it for a time or two, not long. Okay, as you can see, I got my dough padded out. It's about maybe a ½ inch thick. And I'm going to use this to cut some circles out. And just for anyhow, I'm going to do 2 of them. And of course, with the leftovers, you can get it up and do some more if you want, but so we're going to try to get a paw print now. Okay, when you do this with your dog at home, make sure you have some help, because I tried this one time before and it was just me. And when I tried to get her print, she took a bite out of this dough and it made her really sick. So if you do this, make sure you have some help. You don't want to make your dog sick. Alright, I just got back from putting this in the oven. And this went in a 200-degree oven for 2 hours. And I know you can't see it that good right now. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the paw print. And then once that dries, we'll go ahead and finish this up. Alright, welcome back. And it's the next day. And as you can see, I went ahead and painted the paw print magnet. And to turn it into a magnet, we got to put a magnet on it. So what I'm doing is I got a glue dot here. I'm just going to put it on the back of it. And you could use hot glue, and depending on how strong your magnet is, you might want to, because once you glue your magnet on, and say this is your refrigerator, and you stick it on there like that, if your magnet is too strong, it'll pull the glue dot off of it like that. So that is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to get some hot glue and put it on instead of this. So let me do that, then I'll be right back. Alright, well, I went ahead and I hot glued 2 magnets on the back, because I found out that one magnet isn't strong enough to keep this magnet from sliding. So go ahead and take your paw print magnet, and if this is your refrigerator, hopefully this will attach good. Yep. So there you go, you have your own paw print magnet. And just so you know, I got the dog I used, which was mine. I got that from the Sumter County SPCA, which they always have nice pets that would love to have a home to go home to. and I hope you give this a try. It's something that you'll keep forever, and you wish that you had one if you had a pet.